Okay, started following the instructions. So let me go put down my axis. It tells me to put down the vertices. So one vertex is at 2, 3. The other one's at 2, -3. So from here, my center is going to be at, sorry? Am I smoking again, Henry? I'm telling you, second and smoke, man. 2, -3 be out here. 2, -3, is that right? Henry, am I in? Okay. Center at 2, 0. Is everybody okay on that? The halfway between these 2 points. Average of those two. Okay. So here's my center. That's my center. Okay, so then the next step is choose the appropriate form. What form is it going to be? Well, give me the equation. Y minus k quantity squared. And awesome. Over always A. First letter is always A there for an ellipse. Minus x minus h quantity squared over b squared equals 1. Okay? So that'll be, so that's going to be y squared, okay, because k is 0. Someone tell me what a is equal to. 3, so a squared would be 9. This is a, remember, this is a, okay. So since the y coordinate of c is 0, the vertex 1 is 3, then it's got to be 3 units. So y squared over 9 minus x minus 2 quantity squared, and I don't know what b squared is, so I need to find that. I need to find that. Someone tell me how to find that. How do I find b squared? Yeah, Henry? Exactly, you plug in 0, 5 into that equation. Okay, so then that would mean you get 25 over 9 minus 4 over b squared equals 1. Is everybody okay with that? I skipped quite a few steps there. Does everybody see that okay? Okay? It's going through the point 0, 5. It tells you right there. Okay? It tells you it's going through 0, 5. Okay? And so all I did was put y equals 5 and x equals 0 in this equation here. Okay? So am I smoking, Henry? Okay, Henry, you're my smoking guard, okay? So you get 4 over b squared equals 16 over 9. Okay, so b squared is equal to 9 over 4. Am I smoking? Oh, 9 over, yeah. So I kind of cross multiply. Okay, so first what I do is I cancel this 4 here. Either cross multiply, or since this is a 1, if you flip the left hand side, you flip the right hand side as well. That's another way of thinking about it, right? If you flip this side, you get b squared. If you flip this side, you get 9 over 4. You with me on that? Is everybody okay on that? All right. So then your equation is y squared over 9 minus x minus 2 quantity squared over 9 over 4. And please leave this 9 over 4 as is, like there, okay? Don't flip it over. Don't put it 4 over 9. Okay, because that's not the standard form. The standard form is that the coefficients of the x and the y variables in the numerator is always 1. Everything else goes downstairs, even if it's a fraction. Okay, even if it's a fraction, it goes downstairs. Okay, let's talk about how I draw this graph nicely, okay? So, can someone tell me what b is equal to? Plus or minus 3 over 2. Okay, plus or minus 3 over 2. So this is how you do your graph nicely, okay? Your hyperbola nicely. Okay? What you do, Mark, I don't know how much attention you pay in my class, dude. Seriously, Mark and Caden there at the back. What you do is, from the vertex V1, in this particular case, you're going to go 3 over 2 units this way. And then you're going to go 3 over 2 units that way. And you're going to do the same thing here. 3 over 2 units that way, 3 over 2 units that way. You will get a rectangle there. This is called the asymptote box. Your asymptotes are the diagonals of this box. Notice that the center C of the ellipse is the center of the box as well. Then to draw the hyperbola nicely, you know it's going to go through this as a vertex. It's going to be like this. And like that. Okay? So everybody see how to draw a graph nicely. Now do you see what the relevance of B is? Okay? It essentially defines the asymptote box. So A and B define the asymptote box. Okay? In this case, A is along this direction and B is along the other direction. If the hyperbola was oriented horizontally, these things are going to flip over. A is going to be horizontal, B is going to be vertical. I'm telling you, there's a lot of details in these graphs and conics, okay? So you really have to keep all these straight, okay? What I would suggest very strongly is that by tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow, you should be in a situation to make a flashcard, okay, to help you memorize all the different characteristics of all these conics, okay? You guys okay on this? Josh, what you all dressed up for, man? Got a cool looking shirt here. Is that end of day 1? No, number 24, page 687. Do it? Yes? Just do it. Okay, people, this is not a signal for you guys to chat, okay? It's time to finish this problem off, okay? Sorry? Complete the square, which means that you're going to combine this guy and this guy. And you're going to combine this guy and that guy. Okay? So to do the blue stuff, I'm going to pull a 9 out. I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Everybody see the 9? So on the other side, I've got minus 55 plus 81 there. Okay? Then the red stuff, I'm going to take a minus sign out there. I get a y squared plus a 10y. Okay? And what do I get inside here? What do I add? 25. So notice what I've done. Yeah, question. Oh, my bad. Thank you. Smoking again. Yeah. Okay. All right. Hey, say it loudly so it goes on record. Yes. Commander.